Do you like cleaning your car, cleaning your bike, general detailing? Then I'm going to do a series of videos that might be of interest to you. This is a really high level intro video. I'm not an expert car detailer, this is not my job, it's just something that I've been really passionate about. I've been doing for my own vehicles for the last 20 years. Friends and family and also some people on the channel have also asked kind of what products do you use, what tools do you use, how do you clean your wheels, how do you do certain things. So I'm going to do a series of videos on some of the products I use, how I use them, in the hope that it kind of might help you. I've used many products over the years. My current kind of preference is the Auto Finesse stuff right now, but as you can see in this cupboard I've got a plethora of different kind of cleaning products, cleaning cloths, machine tools, etc. that aren't essential but are things that I use, and I will cover some of those things as we go through the different videos. So there's going to be a playlist for all of this stuff, so hopefully it'll be helpful, and if it's something you're interested in, please add comments to certain things you may be interested in knowing more about, so I can do some more focused videos on it, and subscribe and check out the playlist for kind of more auto detailing shenanigans.